What if I told you that by the end of this video, you will know how to make a healthy, high protein breakfast bagel that rivals the McDonald's bacon, egg, and cheese bagel. 2 ounces of turkey breast, 1 slice mozzarella cheese, and the bagel I'm using is Thomas Keto Bagel Thins, okay? These bagel thins are coming in at 1 bagel, 80 calories, 2 grams of net carbs, and 9 grams of protein in 1 bagel thin. They're very soft. I've made this a few times already. I gotta show you this one. This one is great. Compare it to the McDonald's bacon, egg, and cheese bagel, which is 590 calories, 56 carbs, 30 grams of fat, 25 grams of protein. What I'm gonna make here, which you can also make, wrap them up, save for later, stick them in the fridge, save them for later, pop them in the microwave for about a minute, you're ready to go. 217 calories, 2 grams of carbs, 7 grams of fat, 30 grams of protein, and a little extra for you, 16 grams of fiber coming in right here. You can make them at home. It's so easy, so quick to make. Make you a couple of them, meal prep them, stick them in the fridge, throw them in the microwave, 1 minute, you're good to go. What I'm gonna do is, all you gotta do is heat up the turkey meat, 2 ounces of this turkey meat. You're gonna use 1 egg. All you're gonna do is just heat this up. It's gonna go real quick. I'm gonna show you how to do this real fast. There's no need to go to McDonald's. Their bagel is almost 600 calories in 1 bagel, okay? And a lot of times you go to McDonald's and you get the breakfast meal, you're gonna get a bagel, plus you're gonna get hash browns, plus you're gonna get something else. So if you're trying to make a change, especially if fat loss is your goal, you gotta make things happen. Try to cook as much as you can at home and eat the healthiest way possible, okay? You're still getting the good amount of protein in these, so I'm just gonna heat this up. I'm gonna hit it with the pan, pop that egg in there, bam, crack the yolk. Let me show you what I'm gonna do with the bagel. I'm gonna use this spray butter. If you don't wanna use spray butter, you can use regular butter. I'm just gonna hit it with this real quick, just to kind of cook it a little bit. Whenever I guess say toast it. You can also toast it if you want to. If you don't wanna do the butter route, pop them in the toaster real fast, not too long, because they're thin. You don't want them to cook too long. So look, this turkey's already ready. This is a really easy meal. Like I said, I made a few of them, and then what I'll do is I'll just stick this in the fridge, and then in the morning, I was in a hurry this morning, I threw it in the microwave for about a minute, and it just came out great. Everything's already cooked, so you just reheat it. So I'm just gonna flip that. You're gonna wanna add the cheese onto the egg so that it starts to melt. Like I said, this is the easiest breakfast that I have had in a while. All right, move that egg to the side. I'm gonna put my bagel thins on the pan, just like that. Okay, just let it heat up. So by the time the egg is done cooking, you pop the bagel thins off, put the egg on there, and it's time to go. It is so easy. I'm telling you, it's tough not to eat 2 of them at a time, okay? But even if you do eat 2 of them at a time, remember, 217 calories, 2 grams of carbs, 7 grams of fat, and 30 grams of protein. You eat 2 of these, 60 grams of protein right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Take that one off. You're gonna pop this on here, and that's it. Look at that. This is the easiest breakfast bagel sandwich you can make at home in minutes. And it's, I mean, compared to a McDonald's bagel, this one just knocks it out the park. Like, comment, let me know what you think about this one. Subscribe, show me some love. Appreciate everything, but you have to try this one. I've been excited to show you this one, so try this one. Only takes minutes, and it'll definitely help you on your fat loss goals. Thanks for watching. Let's go.